Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. You are seeing my Oncidium orchid in bloom. This is locally it is called a dancing girl orchid. This year a small stalk only has come. Previously it was a long stalk of almost 50 flowers were there. This year only very small stalk has appeared. I don't know why. Even though the same plant only flowered. This is also a type of orchid. I will show you the whole plant. See, it is sitting in a basket with holes. Actually, I have tied it up in a tree. Since it is raining, I have to remove it. You could see the aerial roots. Orchids are different from other plants, but they can take food from the atmosphere also. So when you keep the potting mixture, don't keep any soil in it. See, the by propagation is just take this small plant, a seedling has come from the mother, nearby the mother plant, you can remove it with the mother plant because this thing has some food stored in it. So with this only you have to remove when you remove the small plant. So you take this and you can remove it, and it has only flowers. See, the mother plant has flowers, so now there won't be any flowers or anything. So that is why the small plant appeared. So you can just remove it and make a new plant out of it. This has many plants in it. Not only one flower has come. Flowers are very beautiful. When they are big, they are like sprays of flowers. And the potting soil, I will tell you use only coconut husk, or if it is not available, now orchid barks are available in the nursery, and I use coal and coconut husk I have here, and mostly I use more coal in the potting mixture. As a fertilizer, I used to, here I don't have many orchids now, so I use only organic fertilizer. And then this seaweed fertilizer which comes in seaweed fertilizer which is in the watery form, liquid form, so I spray that. And the rice water, no, while we are cooking, before that we wash it, that rice water I give it to the plant, to the root area also, and the leaves can also take food. That is about beauty of orchid plants. Then and it doesn't like direct sunlight. Keep it in a place where it gets shade only. It lives in, orchids live mostly in trees, so they don't get direct sunlight. So there should be sunlight nearby. Shade you can keep it. Don't keep it in direct sunlight. They don't need also. So if they have to thrive nicely, keep it in a place where there is shade. Actually, because of the rain has spoiled the plant. This is a whole plant, and always pot the orchid in holes, basket with holes, because it needs a lot of air circulation also. See, most of the roots have come out only. Okay. I have covered fertilization, potting mixture, and the sunlight, and it likes humidity. All orchids like humidity. So since it sits nearby my lily pond, humidity is not a problem for it in the summer season. If you are having it, nearby in your house and there is no lily pond or something like that, you can keep it in humidity, a plate covered in pebbles and water, and leave it on the plate with water, so that the water will evaporate and it will get the water content in the nearby area will be more, and it will be good for it. Hope you like the video about Oncidium. If you like it, press the like button. Thank you for watching.